Hi everybody, it's Bree. Welcome to the year 2022. I hope we all have some big goals that we want to crush this year. So it being January, Vonza wants to bring you guys a contest. So if you're an affiliate, you already get 30% reoccurring of all sales. Now within this contest, we want to give a $500 gift card to the person who brings in the most new subscribers for the month of January. There is a minimum, however, so you do have to bring in a minimum of 10 new subscribers to be eligible to win the gift card. Now, there are two places on the site that you can go ahead and sign up to become an affiliate, but I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that, but I'm also going to leave a link here at the bottom of the video. That way I can make it a little bit easy for you guys to go ahead and sign up. Okay, so one way to sign up as an affiliate is come to Vonza.com, and this here is the Vonza homepage. Once you're here, go all the way down to the very bottom, and on the right hand side, you'll see here where it says affiliates. Let's click on affiliates. All right, Vonza Partnership Program. Free to join and pays you 30%. Okay, so just go ahead and fill it out. Email, first name, password, follow all the prompts. I'm just going to log in here because I just made mine. Okay, here we go. Sign in. Okay, so this will be a brand new dashboard. And you can see here you've got your referrals, your clicks, your customers, your unpaid earnings. If you scroll down here to the very bottom, this here is your link. So this is what you want to leave and you want to drop when you're posting it everywhere. Whether you're posting it on social media or you're connecting it to your YouTube channel, this is the link you want to use. If you already signed up with Vonza and are now a Vonzanite, just go to your dashboard, and on the right hand side you'll see a big tile. It says Vonza Partner, sign up. Just go ahead and sign up through here, through this big button, and you will go to the sign up page, and it'll take you to the same process as you would if you were to sign up through the front page of the website. Okay, now you guys know how to sign up as an affiliate partner. Go out and share your link.